Guys, we've got a great example here for you. Ignore my weeds. This is a cucumber plant that had many leaves on it just a couple days ago. So clearly some ambitious deer is helping itself over the fence. Thankfully we still have a few leaves for it to photosynthesize, so hopefully we'll get some cucumbers out of these beautiful yellow flowers here. And we have another much healthier looking one beside it that they haven't been able to reach. So again, every year my fence moves as I gain more resources and have the time to do so. But we have some Alaska peas growing here as well. And here is my failure. I knew that this was producing peas. I didn't check it diligently as I should, and I missed this pea pod. So this plant has received the signal that it produced viable seed, which tells the plant that it's done its job and it's time to die. So even though this plant was beautiful, lush, lots of flowers on it, it is now withering, drying out, and ready to leave this world. Same with this. Again, they will just reach the end of their lifespan on their own. You can have beautiful, healthy vine going on with flower blossoms, but if you miss a right pea pod, the plant will know that it's done its job of procreating and give up the ghost. Same here. This one I think is more that we're at the end of its life cycle. This is one of the earliest that popped up for me here. This one's about the only ripe one at the moment. The others are close, so I'm just letting it ripen up these few pea pods that are left on here before I pull it out and make room for another pea plant to grow there. But you'll also run into that same issue with cucumbers if you do not harvest your cucumbers before they mature. You'll have the exact same issue. So make sure that once your cucumbers and peas start producing, same with your beans, doesn't matter if it's bush beans or pole beans, once they have a pod or a cucumber or a bean reach its full maturity, it is going to tell the plants that it's time to retire and let the next generation produce. So here's our very first cucumber of the year forming. Just a tiny little thing with its blossom still on the end. But hopefully we'll have many more cucumbers